In the heart of the 18th century, the world was gripped by the ferment of ideas, as thinkers across Europe sought to challenge the status quo and uncover the truth. This was the Age of Enlightenment, a period marked by the pursuit of reason, science, and individualism. Amidst this intellectual revolution, several remarkable minds stood out. Voltaire, the French philosopher, was one such figure, known for his sharp wit and biting satire. In his works, he relentlessly criticized the church and the monarchy, advocating for freedom of speech and religious tolerance. Meanwhile, in Germany, Immanuel Kant, a humble Prussian philosopher, penned his Critique of Pure Reason, a monumental work that fundamentally altered the way people understood the nature of reality. Kant proposed that our understanding of the world is shaped by our own minds, a revolutionary idea that challenged the absolute truth claimed by religious authorities. Across the Channel, in England, John Locke, the father of liberalism, argued that all individuals are born equal and endowed with certain unalienable rights, including life, liberty, and property. His ideas laid the groundwork for the American Revolution and the subsequent establishment of the United States of America. But the Age of Enlightenment was not without its critics. Many conservative thinkers, such as Edmund Burke, condemned the radical ideas of the Enlightenment, arguing that tradition and social order were more important than individual rights and reason. Despite these challenges, the ideas of the Enlightenment thinkers had a lasting impact on the course of history. They inspired revolutions, shaped new political philosophies, and paved the way for the modern world. Today, their works continue to be studied and debated, as their ideas remain relevant in our modern, complex world. In the end, the Age of Enlightenment was a time of intellectual awakening, a period when the world began to question the status quo, challenge authority, and seek the truth. The ideas of the Enlightenment thinkers continue to inspire us today, reminding us of the power of reason, the importance of individualism, and the pursuit of knowledge for its own sake.